Hey guys, and how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Check out this Singer 201-2. I just got finished going through this one. Rebuilt the motor. I came across this base that I had out in the shed. It's been out there so long I don't even remember what it came with, but it wasn't one of the dome cases because it doesn't have the cutout here. So then also I have some original Singer needle packs here. I've got a black side hammer attachment, a zipper foot, some bobbins, the original manual, and the Singer attachment box. Yeah, I'm real happy with this one. This one turned out really good. It was a lot of work, but when they end up looking like this when you're done, it's well worth it. Alright, well, if you find one of these and you're inspired to bring it back to life, check out my other videos. I've made quite a few on the 201s, and I'm going to be posting one soon on the complete tear down and rebuild of one of these potted motors for the 201. Alright, as always, thanks for watching. That's it.